Hello everyone, and this video we're gonna see how to setting up the drawing sheets using 3ds CATIA drafting. Okay, so on search bar we're gonna type drafting. So you see this if you have the roles. So you can click and then uh, it will launch the application or the drafting on the 3dx, so you can access that one. So now it's open, so you can see this white grid sheet or drafting paper. So you can change the name of this one, right click right here, and then you can go to properties, and then we can say page setup, page setup, and you can write the comments, or if you have description you can also do that. Yeah, once you have that, you can see it's the first sheet, so it's green. Now we need to add the title blocks, frames and title blocks. So in order to do that, we need to change to the sheet background. So for that case, we need to go to this page layout first. So click on this, and now we need to just select the proper size style of the drafting sheet. So here we do have this all the standard possible standards, so we're gonna stick with the ISO S3, and the sheet style we're gonna use S3 ISO as well for our homeworks and class activities. So I'll pick that and then keep this landscape mode, and then we do have this dress up or this frames and text block sample. So we do have these three samples, but we're gonna stick with again with this title block sample one, because it's pretty much easy just to modify this one. We do have the angle of projection symbol and everything, so it's easy just to modify that. So once you select this sample one, you can just click on create, or you can highlight this one, and then you can apply. So as you can see, the sheet size is changed or getting smaller. That's A3, so it converts from N0 to S3 ISO, and then now it's adding the frames and text blocks. Perfect. Now I can click OK, and then I can zoom in this a little bit. So you can see I do have all this information, the necessary information. So now I need to change, or I need to modify this text and symbols if I want. So in order to do that, I need to go to sheet and then right click, and then get this edit background. And now it turns to gray, sheet green. Now you can double click and then edit. So in this case, it's part name. Let's say this is shaft, and then say, okay, nuts. And you can double click on this and then type WSU, and then right here, let's say this is the first part or drawing number one. And then the page, let's just consider we're gonna have 3 pages, this one, and then you can uh, modify the scale once you import all the principal orthographic views. And then you can also change this one. So as you can see, it's first angle projection symbol. So if you are working on third angle project system, you need to swap the place of these concentric circles and trapezoidal shape. So you can swap in, and that can represent third angle projection. If it's first angle, so you're good to go with this. And as you can see your name right there. You can modify if you like, dates and everything, who's going to check or evaluate your work right here. So that's pretty much. So if you complete this part, you can go back to the working view, so that will turn to white grid sheet. So that's a working view. So you can see I can go to the view and then fit all in, so you can see that. So now what if I have a number of parts, like I said right here, this is sheet number 1, so we do have 3 sheets. So in order to add a new sheet, just right click on this sheet and then click on this new sheet. And again, you can do right click and new sheet, and then that will be the 3 sheets. So now we need to modify, for instance, right here, sheet number 2 is still, you can see it's page 1, and then the number is the same, the part name is the same. So in order to do that, you need to just right click on that and then go to edit background. You'll find that all the way down, and after that it will turn to gray sheet again. And now you can say, hey, this is bearing, or something some other part, and then you can modify. This is part 2, and then this will be the second sheet, drawing sheet. And then if you have different angle of projection, you can change that as well. I have you need to watch the CATIA, so you can just take this to the other side. I'll show you real quick right here. So you can select all this, and then you can take on this side, right? So you need to also modify, or you need to take this on this side, on the right side a little bit. So you can just take that like that. So this will represent third angle projection, right? Because we swap the position of these two parts. So if you do have different scale, you can also do that. So once you complete this, you need to escape from this one by clicking on these working views. And again, double click on sheet 3, right click, go to edit background, or you can modify. This one will be, it could be here, and you can say this will be part 3, or and then this will be the third sheet. Again, you can just this is first angle projection symbol, so you can swap the place if you're working on third angle projection. So this is how you can set up your page, how to add the title blocks, how to modify the contents and everything, how to add the new sheet. So the next, how are we going to print out this as a single PDF file, So in order to do that, so just press Control, hold Control and press P, Control plus P. And then you'll find this window, print window, and then you see that, by the way, you need to check this one. So if you do have, if you connect with other printers or whatever, you need to check that one. So Microsoft Print to PDF, so that you can save as a PDF extension file. So the first thing that we need to do here is, I do have multi-documents or this wishes. So in that case, I need to go to the multi-documents and then check these all sheets. So in that case, you will see this one. So it will print out or save as a PDF the whole sheet. It's not going to do only the activate sheet. So, and then make sure you select this best rotation, and then after that you need to go to the page setup, and then the drafting sheet style or format should be the same as the printing size, PDF size. So we should be S3 ISO, and then click OK, and now you can see that, or you can have a preview. So we don't have sheet number 1, 2, and 3, and then you can click OK. Now you need to hit apply just to save this as a PDF extension file. So right here, I can type, this is page setup. Yeah, so now I'll share you my did this. So I'll share you my folder or directory right here real quick. So you can see page setup right here. Again, I need to just share you this. So you can see that I do have these three sheets. By default, you may have like this, so you can rotate that one, okay? Because it's portrait. So yeah, so you can have a single PDF file, even though you have a lot of pages on your drafting. So you can print out as a single PDF file. So